FloatSki review, is my FloatSki.com legit or a scam? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to spot online scams before you lose money. Using FloatSki as a real-world example, I'll walk you through the exact red flags that expose fraudulent products and websites. If you've seen ads for products that seem too good to be true, this tutorial will help you identify them before you buy. FloatSki claims to be an electric jet ski capable of 19 miles per hour, holding 350 pounds, with 90 minutes of battery life, all for $59.95. That's your first clue. A legitimate electric jet ski costs thousands of dollars. It requires a powerful electric motor, a massive battery pack, a reinforced hull, and professional engineering. Products with these actual capabilities cost $1,000 to $10,000 minimum. When the price is 10 to 100 times lower than legitimate competitors offering similar features, that's a scam indicator. Rule: if the price is too good to be true, the product claims are always wrong. Go to whois.com, type in the website URL, check the domain registration date. FloatSki's domain was registered June 18, 2026, and expires June 2027. A one-year domain lifespan for an e-commerce site is suspicious. Legitimate companies register domains for 5 to 10 years. Short registrations indicate the website is disposable, designed to collect money and disappear. Check every website's domain age before buying. Anything registered within the last few weeks should raise immediate concerns. Visit Trustpilot, Reddit, and YouTube. Search for reviews from third-party sources, not the company's own website. FloatSki has 1,247 reviews on its own website, but 0 reviews on Trustpilot. If a product has been heavily advertised for weeks and has 0 independent reviews, that's suspicious. Real products accumulate customer feedback on trusted platforms. Fake products disappear before independent reviews can accumulate. Look closely at promotional images. Do they show the actual product in real-world use, or are they clearly edited, AI-generated, or stock photos? FloatSki's promotional images appear to show simple inflatable pool floats, not jet skis. Real companies photograph actual products. Scam companies use edited images or AI-generated marketing materials to avoid showing what you'll actually receive. Look for contact information. A legitimate company displays a real physical address, phone number, and email. Try calling or visiting. FloatSki's address is hidden behind a privacy service. Contact information is obfuscated. Customer service is non-existent. Legitimate businesses want to be found. Scammers hide. Read the refund policy carefully. Scam sites either have no refund policy or use vague language that makes refunds impossible to enforce. Legitimate companies offer 30 to 60-day money-back guarantees with clear instructions. If the refund policy is unclear or requires jumping through hoops, don't buy. Scams typically rely on Facebook and TikTok ads because those platforms have less vetting. You see the same ad repeatedly over days or weeks. That's designed to create artificial familiarity. Legitimate companies advertise too, but scammers rely heavily on social media pressure and urgency tactics. If an ad is running constantly across multiple platforms, check independent reviews before clicking. Research what customers actually received. Search YouTube for unboxing videos or reviews. With FloatSki, customers report receiving simple inflatable floats instead of motorized jet skis. The gap between advertised product and delivered product is enormous. Always search for real unboxing videos or customer complaint videos before buying. Try to contact the company before buying. Send a question via their contact form. Call their phone number if they have one. FloatSki's customer support is non-existent. Customers who bought the product and requested refunds got silence. Legitimate companies respond to inquiries within 24 hours. Scammers don't. Real watercraft or electrical devices come with safety certifications, technical specs, and documentation. FloatSki provides none. There are no safety test results, no engineering documents, no certifications proving it works as advertised. Legitimate products are certified and documented. Check domain age at whois.com. Search for independent reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit, YouTube, and Google. Look for unboxing or complaint videos. Call or visit the company's physical address. Read the refund policy carefully. Check the Better Business Bureau. Ask, is this price realistic? Are the claims physically achievable? Does independent verification exist? If you paid with a credit card, contact your card company immediately and request a chargeback. Provide all evidence, screenshots, emails, confirmation numbers. If you paid through PayPal, open a dispute, document everything. Report the website to the FTC at Report Fraud, FTC.gov. Share your experience on Trustpilot and Reddit to warn others. Impossibly low prices. Recently registered domains, no independent reviews, AI-generated images, hidden company information, vague refund policies, aggressive social media ads. Bait and switch delivery, non-existent customer support, no safety certifications. These 10 red flags expose scams. Check them all before buying anything online. If this consumer protection guide helped you spot scams, please like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me if you've encountered a suspicious product or website. Help protect others by sharing your experience. Thanks for watching and stay sharp out there.